How to fix login error on Zalando. If you're not being able to log into the Zalando app, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the Zalando app on Android, you can long press the Zalando app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. On iPhone, you can try to offload the app instead. Now from here, go to storage usage, clear cache, and also clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Zalando app, check if it has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are that you could be entering an incorrect credentials. So in that case, check if your password is correct and your email address is also correct. In case you forgot your password, you can simply try to reset your password by tapping on the Forgotten Your Password button. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.